Concept 2, finding angle measures. Alright, so we'll often be in a situation where we have a diagram and it has some angles that are maybe vertical angles, maybe adjacent angles, but we have some angles that we have the measure for, like BXC, right? BXC is equal to 32. We're given that, okay? But we have some that we're missing, right? So angle AXB, we don't know, okay? So how do we figure that out? Well, we're going to use the properties of supplementary and complementary angles, okay? The idea that two complementary angles will equal a 90-degree angle, all right? And two supplementary angles, or two angles that are supplementary with each other, add up to 180 degrees, okay? So if we can look and we can find that this is a 90-degree angle, this is a 90-degree angle, all four of these are 90-degree angles, then any two angles that add up to those are going to add up to 90 degrees. Okay, so if one of them is 32, right? If I have BXC, angle BXC plus angle AXB should equal 90 degrees. Right? They're complementary. The both of them together will equal 90 degrees. Okay? So, if I know BXC is 32, 32 degrees plus angle AXB is equal to 90, I can solve for this missing angle just by subtracting that 32 degrees from 90. Okay, this will cancel. 90 minus 32 should be 58 degrees, which should be equal to AXB. Okay, and so then I can fill that in. This one is going to be 58 degrees. Okay, I can do the same thing over here if I want. I've got my angle FXD. Okay, FXD is equal to 40 degrees. So to find CXF, I'm going to do 90 degrees because they're complementary minus 40 degrees. It's going to be equal to 50 degrees. So angle CXF is 50 degrees. Okay? And now I can check. Remember from the last video we weren't sure if BXF was going to be a 90-degree angle. Well, now we can check. We got 32 plus 50, 82 degrees. So now this one is not a 90-degree angle. Okay? And if this one, GXF, is a straight line, a straight 180 degrees, then BXA is 58, but BXG is going to not be 90 degrees, right? Because this straight line is telling me that, and we'll move on to our supplementary angles, okay? That straight line is telling me that AXF, that's not a very good angle, but it's okay, AXF and AXG together, let's get some more room down here, angle AXF plus angle AXG are equal to 180 degrees. Okay? If those two are equal to 180 degrees, then this angle, AXF plus AXG, is going to be 180, or AXG is going to be equal to AXF, or 180 degrees minus AXF, right? I can just subtract angle AXF, subtract angle AXF, and I'm left with angle AXG is equal to 180 minus angle AXF. Okay? And that's what I mean when I'm talking about the properties of complementary and supplementary angles. Okay? We can add all these up, right? So 50 plus 58 plus 32. 50, 58, 32. 8 and 2 is 10. We're adding 10, 13, 14, 140 degrees. So 180 minus 140 is telling me that AXG should be equal to 40 degrees. All right, and if we looked back at our vocabulary, we would actually be able to see that these two angles, all right, AXG and FXD, are vertical angles, right? They are formed by two lines, two straight lines meeting, and so if this is 40 degrees, this will also be 40 degrees. Okay, and we've just shown that that's true as well.